How to make vase water fountains. Water features are a great addition to your garden or landscape. They give you a focal point that also complements your flower garden. Making a vase water fountain is a good do-it-yourself project that you can do in one day. You won't look at vases in the same light again, as you will want to use them for all sizes of water fountains. Things you will need: large clay vase, colored rocks, large plastic bucket that the vase will easily fit into, drill with 1/2-inch drill bit, aquarium pump with fountain attachment, copper tubing cutter or hacksaw, silicone caulk. Directions: drill a 1/2-inch hole near the bottom of the vase. Make sure the hole is at the back of the vase. Place the vase into the bucket and fill around the vase with the colored rocks. The bucket will catch any overflow water, preventing water from running over the deck or muddying the yard. Place the vase and bucket in your desired location outside. Choose a place that is close to an electrical outlet. Place the submersible pump into the bottom of the vase and thread the electrical cord through the hole you drilled in the side of the vase. Seal the hole completely with the silicone caulk and allow to dry. Replace the plastic tubing that came with the pump with the copper tubing of the same diameter. Cut a section of the tubing that will come to just under the lip of the vase. Attach the copper tubing to the pump. If your pump came with a fountain attachment, place this attachment on the top of the tubing. You may have to adjust your tubing length for the fountain attachment to be at water level. Fill the vase with enough water to cover the pump and turn the pump on. Adjust the settings on the pump to regulate the size of the fountain spray you want. You can adjust it to either a ripple or form a tall fountain. The water should not splash outside the vase. Fill the vase the rest of the way with water and enjoy your new water feature. Top up with water occasionally to ensure the fountain pump is always covered by water.